What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Home and Entrepreneur, and in today's video I want to give you 5 affiliate marketing tips for beginners. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, maybe you haven't made much money, or maybe you haven't made a single dollar online, I want to give you 5 tips that will help you out. Alright, so if you're ready for those tips, then let's get started right now. So tip number 1 is to use both free and paid traffic. Now, why do I say that? Well, free traffic, obviously, it's because it's free. You don't have to pay anything, so why not use it, right? One thing I've noticed with free traffic is people are more inclined to actually build their business using free traffic. The people that are in it for a very short term, they just want to make money quick, make that money, get out. They use paid traffic. So here's what I recommend. Use free traffic, use websites, okay? Free websites. Use guest blogs, use stuff like YouTube, okay? It works. And even Facebook groups, okay? Instagram, free traffic methods. Now, paid traffic, you can buy solo ads, you can do paid advertising. There's so many options for you, all right? Start out with free traffic. Build your business through that method alone, and then go out and introduce paid traffic. Introduce solo ads and Facebook, ads, and Instagram, and there's so many ways to make money, but start with one. And I recommend free. The reason I recommend free is because you're not risking anything. Yes, you utilize your time and that's it. You don't have to spend money on the free methods, all right? So use free traffic. Once you've proven that what you are selling is actually converting, then go ahead and use paid traffic, because you need that traffic in order to actually convert an offer and make some money. So if you've been watching my channel or even seen some of my articles over on my website, you've known or you've seen that I use email lists. I have different types of opt-in pages, and you can go opt-in and I send emails. And that leads me to tip number 2. You need an email list. If you don't have one, you need one. And the reason I say you need one is because it makes this whole process of making money very easy, okay? Because it automates the majority of the work. All you have to do is go and get the traffic. Now, when I say all you have to do, there's a lot that goes into it, but it takes away a major chunk of your work when you have an email list with an autoresponder that is just sending out emails as soon as somebody opts in. That makes the whole process so easy. So, if you do not have an email list, okay, start building one. If you don't have landing pages, start building them, okay? Because this is going to make your life so much easier. It's going to make your ability to make money online go that much faster, because now you don't have to do all the work. You don't have to send out email after email after email. The software that you're using is doing it all for you. So, if you don't have an email list, you need to start one today. So tip number 3, and one of the reasons why I love YouTube is because video converts best. If you've ever created a video and also created an article to go along with that video, you probably noticed your video converts better than the article itself. Why is that? One of the reasons why I believe, and so many other people have seen, that video converts better than just static pages, static images, static text, whatever it is because there's some type of interaction. Okay, I'm talking to you, you're listening, you might be asking questions in the comments. Okay, other people are asking questions in the comment section, both on Facebook, on Instagram, and here on YouTube. So, if you want to be a better affiliate marketer, I'd recommend you integrate video into your websites, into your emails, however you want to do it, but start using video because it converts better. Being able that we have that interaction, okay? You can see what I'm doing. You can see that I'm trying to promote something. For example, this is a product I was just got done doing a video on. Okay, it's a Philips Sonicare toothbrush. Okay, this one right here, brand new, still in the box. Anyway, I just got done doing a video on that for another one of my websites. But the reason I bring this up is because when I put the video up to promote this product, it's gonna sell better than just a static link to this specific product over on Amazon. So that's why I recommend video, is because they can see the product, they see how it works, they see what it is you're recommending. They see how excited you are about this little product. Okay, so by using video, you will be able to convert your traffic much better, which means you get more sales and you make more money. Now, if you've heard this saying from me before, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Traffic plus conversions equals sales. What does that mean? Well, what this means is the more traffic you get, plus the better that your offer converts, equals the more sales you will make. So, without either one of these, you will not have this. Okay? Both of these are needed to have this. Let me explain that a little bit further. So, let's say I'm promoting an offer that converts at 1%. What that means is I need to get 100 visitors to that offer, converting at 1% in order to get that one sale. Let's say I was converting that at 50%. That means I need 2 visitors to that offer at 50% conversion rate equals 1 sale. So you can see how these numbers really reflect the sales. All right? So the reason I bring that up is because most people, they look at their sales and wonder, how come I'm getting no sales? What am I doing wrong? Why can't I make it? Why can't I make money, promoting this affiliate offer? The reason is because you're not getting enough traffic. The page that you're sending your traffic to is not converting at a high enough rate, which means you will not get any sales. So get more traffic, improve the page, the landing page, your emails, whatever, so that you can convert people at a much higher rate to make more sales. That's all you gotta do. As for tip number 5, have you ever heard of MMO? If you haven't, it'll sink in just a second. It stands for Make Money Online. But there's a big X to it. Why do I put a big X through Make Money Online? It's actually pretty simple. The reason I put a big X through Make Money Online is because I'm here to tell you, you should stay away from the Make Money Online niche. Now, I'm not saying there's not money to be made. I'm not saying it's not possible. I'm saying as a beginner, stay away from it for the foreseeable future, because I want you to focus on affiliate marketing in its basic form. Not trying to go through Make Money Online and promoting courses on how to make money and promoting products on how to make money and how to sell like ClickFunnels or things like that. Okay. Yes, it can work. You can do very well with it. However, it is going to be harder. It's easier to sell somebody on this Philips Sonicare toothbrush if they need it, as opposed to selling somebody on the idea of, hey, you do this, you'll be able to make money online. You'll be able to pull in a couple $100, and it's not that simple. Okay, selling somebody on their potential, on their future, on a better life is much harder than selling them on a simple product. All right? So, as a beginner, I highly recommend you stay away from the Make Money Online niche for now, but as you start making money online, as you have a little bit of a understanding on how this business works, then jump into it. Then, start to document your journey on a website or on YouTube or on Instagram and let people know what it is you do. Because people like to understand and see the journey and see kind of where you came from, where you are now, where you plan on being in the next 6 months or a year or 5 years from now. People like that stuff. So the last thing I just want to explain about affiliate marketing, and specifically for beginners, is it's not going anywhere. Affiliate marketing has been around for a long time. It's still going to be around for a very long time, all right? It's not going to be one of these businesses that's here for a couple years or 6 months and then it slowly fades away. Now, I've been in businesses, I still am in certain ones, but Amazon, selling stuff on Amazon or eBay, they were hyped up for a small period of time, and a bunch of people got into eBay, and a lot of people started getting in Amazon, and then it started getting harder and harder to sell stuff. And the business is still profitable. I'm still making a lot of money, but at the same time, it's not. I don't think it's going to be the best business for the next 20 years. It may be, maybe not. I think affiliate marketing is still going to be a great business for anybody to get into, even in 20 years. With that said, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, take the time to learn the business. Take the time to figure out what people did wrong, what they did right. Try to figure out exactly what people are doing. Are they doing websites? Are they doing YouTube videos? Are they over on Instagram and Facebook and doing email lists? Are they doing just a bunch of the different things? What exactly is it that they're doing? Okay, take courses, take classes, learn from a mentor. You'll watch free YouTube videos. Do whatever it is you can to learn the business. If you can learn the business behind affiliate marketing, what products are doing the best, what affiliate networks have the best conversions or the best the best commissions or whatever it is, figure that stuff out. Take your time and actually learn the business, because once you learn the business, you will be able to make money online. But you have to learn before you can make that first dollar. So if you have any questions on affiliate marketing, let me know. Here to help you any way I can. Hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video and want more videos on affiliate marketing. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.